And now we will leave it to the dharma for the Turkish heart. And now we have ready lentil, which we can eat rice, roti with anything, salad with it more. But in our homes, it is eaten more than onion as a salad. So you guys can add a lot of things in it. And this is the dal that we have cooked, which is very delicious and you will not find it in restaurants. And if you like this recipe, let me know in the comments so that I can keep sharing small videos with you. Thanks for watching video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.